It's Clay Trading. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol mCig. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am anyways. Very, very nice uptrend here, and truly a thing of beauty. If you're to need to put an example of an uptrend in a textbook, you could definitely use this chart as it stands right now. But let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out to monitor next week. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold up above 35 cents, that would by far make the chart look, the absolute healthiest. But by no means am I saying that if the price does drop below 35 cents, that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. Not saying that at all. That would just be, the ideal situation. Really, from the big picture of things and from, the overall perspective, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. And, moving averages, I like to call them trend lines for lazy people, because it's going to be a quote-unquote trend line that's going to draw itself for you and continue to do that. So when you stop and think about it, what does the price need to do in order to remain above a line that's increasing? Well, the price itself needs to continue to increase. And that's what truly strong moves do, right? They increase in price. And that's why I love charts. They almost insult your intelligence when you know what to look for. So yeah, easiest way to look at it, as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control, bulls are in full health. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this move is going to continue upwards, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? So for this, I'm actually going to go to another time frame just so we don't have to scrunch up the chart too much, because as you can see, the price has not been up this high for a very long time. So we are going way back into the chart's history here. Always a good problem to have when you have to go back literally, months upon months, years in this case. So next key level of resistance that stands out to me up there at 41 cents. And then after 41 cents, next key level at 45 cents. So, and these are levels coming from back here in 2014. So like I said, literally years since the price has been up this high. But at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on putting in higher lows like it's been doing, the chart's going to continue to take care of itself. So we'll see what next week brings. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your weekends.